Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of unboxing. Now today, I'm going to be checking out some $250 Sony headphones and seeing if they're really worth the price. So ever since my main headphones that I would use practically every single day broke down, I've been on the lookout for some both pretty good headphones in the price category and also pretty good performers in just, of course, the sound quality department. Now, my eye was originally on some headphones called the Audio-Technica M50X, and these headphones are around $150 to $160. Now, the main reason is because I'd seen so many people on YouTube, as well as just general reviews on Amazon and other websites, give these headphones really great reviews and to say they're by far some of the best headphones you can possibly get for the price that they are charged for. Now, before I did a review and bought them and checked them out, I just decided to quickly run over to the local Best Buy and check them out and see if they're actually worth paying for. But to my surprise, they were honestly a pretty big disappointment, specifically in the sound category. Now, while I was at Best Buy, I noticed that right next to them were some headphones by Sony. They're called the Sony MDR XB950N1s. Pretty long name if you ask me, but according to a ton of other reviews on these headphones, they're supposed to be really good at both sound quality, comfort, especially comfort, because they, I tried them on and they felt super good, and also just things like bass and noise canceling. And this have some pretty good things about these headphones. Now, before I give too much away about the headphones, here is just the box. Let's just open it up and check the headphones out. Ooh. You have a nice little cloth texture on the inside, which is pretty nice. Alright, so you got the headphones themselves. These do come with a pretty nice felt carrying case. And then inside the carrying case itself, you got the charge cable as well as the auxiliary cable that you'll use the headphones if you want to use it wired. These do work wirelessly through Bluetooth, but if you want to use these with a cable, then you can with this cable. These do have some pretty good build quality. I definitely do appreciate that. It does have a plastic build, but it doesn't feel at all very cheap. It feels actually like pretty high quality plastic. You also have this expandable feature, so if you have a larger or smaller head, you can adjust it. You have some pretty big ear cushions, I will definitely admit, but that is of course to add extremely comfortable listening. So you have a play pause forward and back button here. You also have an up and down volume switch. You have the power button, the bass effect, the power cord port, and then you also have the noise canceling button as well as the wired input. So if you want to use these wired for whatever reason, you can do so. One thing I did want to quickly say is that these headphones do happen to come with an app. You can adjust the amount of bass as well as just the general sound quality, so you can control the highs, the lows, the mids, just different things like that on the headphones. Okay, so just playing a quick song off of YouTube here. Let's just see how it sounds. These headphones have no problem whatsoever with sound quality. These headphones are super clear, super crisp. They just sound really great. They are definitely one of the better sounding headphones that I've personally tried, and you can't really go wrong with these. I did also find out that these headphones have a 22-hour battery life, I believe, and take around 7 hours or so to get a full charge. Now, one thing about these headphones, which at first glance may seem kind of obvious, but I did realize that some headphones don't actually have this feature, surprisingly. And that would be that these headphones have the ability to be able to make calls with these headphones, because these happen to have a built-in mic. So if you're making a phone call or something to a friend or something like that, these will happen to work with that, which I thought was pretty cool and something that is pretty necessary on a day-to-day basis. But if you're looking for some pretty good premium headphones that will last you a good amount of time, just sound good and feel very comfortable, even though they're $250, it's definitely worth the price. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.